best beginner motorcycle Kawasaki Z400. Choosing the perfect motorcycle as a beginner is a pivotal decision, and the Kawasaki Z400 shines as an excellent choice for those just starting their two-wheel journey. In this exploration, we will delve into why the Kawasaki Z400 is the ideal starting point for novice riders, combining approachable performance with contemporary styling to create an exceptional entry-level motorcycle. Kawasaki, a legacy of excellence. Kawasaki, a renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, has a storied history of producing high-performance machines across various segments, from sport bikes to cruisers. Their commitment to quality and innovation is evident in every motorcycle they produce, setting the stage for a thrilling riding experience. The Z Series, a history of success. The Kawasaki Z400 is a member of the Z Series, which has garnered immense popularity among riders for its stylish yet practical motorcycles. The Z Series has a history of success, epitomized by models like the Z900 and Z1000, and the Z400 inherits the essence of this lineage. A punchy parallel twin engine. At the heart of the Kawasaki Z400 lies a spirited 399cc parallel twin engine. This well-balanced power plant offers an engaging and manageable 45 horsepower, making it an ideal choice for novice riders. The parallel twin configuration delivers smooth power delivery, ensuring that new riders can comfortably learn the ropes. Contemporary and aggressive styling. The Kawasaki Z400 boasts contemporary and aggressive styling that appeals to a wide range of riders. Its muscular fuel tank, sharp lines, and minimalist bodywork create a visually striking presence. The Z400 carries a design that resembles its larger siblings in the Z Series, making it an appealing choice for those who appreciate the aesthetics of sportier motorcycles. Lightweight and nimble. Weighing just over 360 pounds, approximately 164 kilograms, the Z400 is a lightweight motorcycle. This lightweight nature ensures that novice riders can easily handle it, especially in urban traffic and when learning the nuances of cornering. The nimbleness of the Z400 allows for confident and controlled riding experiences. Comfortable riding position. Despite its sporty demeanor, the Kawasaki Z400 offers a comfortable and upright riding position. The wide handlebars and the neutral foot peg position help riders maintain control without excessive strain on their wrists and lower back. This thoughtful ergonomic setup makes it suitable for everyday commutes and longer rides. Advanced features. The Z400 is equipped with a variety of advanced features that enhance the riding experience. A slipper clutch reduces rear wheel hop during aggressive downshifts, aiding in control and rider confidence. A digital display provides essential information at a glance, including gear position, fuel level, and more. Outstanding fuel efficiency. One of the significant advantages of the Z400 is its excellent fuel efficiency. Novice riders can enjoy their new passion without worrying about frequent visits to the gas station. The efficient engine and fuel injection system ensure that riders get more miles out of each tank. Confidence-inspiring handling. The Z400 chassis and suspension are tuned to offer a balanced and confidence-inspiring ride. It excels in maneuverability and responsiveness, making it an ideal choice for riders looking to develop their skills gradually. The forgiving handling characteristics allow for progressive growth as a rider. Low maintenance. Kawasaki motorcycles are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. The Z400 follows this tradition, with straightforward maintenance requirements. Novice riders can appreciate a machine that doesn't require constant attention, allowing them to focus on the joys of riding. The ideal starting point. For beginners, the Kawasaki Z400 is the ideal starting point in the world of motorcycling. It strikes a balance between style, performance, and practicality, making it suitable for those new to the sport. Kawasaki's commitment to excellence shines through every aspect of the Z400. As a first motorcycle, the Z400 offers a satisfying blend of sporty aesthetics and approachable performance. It is a stepping stone for beginners to explore the joys of motorcycling, develop their skills, and embrace the freedom of two-wheel travel. Choosing your first motorcycle is a memorable experience, and the Kawasaki Z400 ensures that the journey begins on a high note. The Z400 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a partner in the exploration of the open road. With its stylish design and balanced performance, it invites riders to embark on an exciting adventure, setting them on a path of growth and skill development in the world of motorcycling.